Hello, this is Gihan Perera. How are you going with building AI capability with your team? I was working last week with a business running one of my AI workshops, and I was just introducing people to tools like ChatGPT and demonstrating some of the things that it could do. And one of the questions that came up, it's a very common question, is I demonstrated how ChatGPT, when you ask it for some information, sometimes it makes up things. And I was talking about the importance of always double checking and triple checking everything that it gives you. And some people in the room were surprised. They were shocked to find that these AI tools were making up stuff. And they said, surely that's the wrong thing. Why they're designed that they will respond to a prompt by making up things if it doesn't know the answer. Surely the better response is to say, I don't know. And it's a common question and it's a common response that I get because AI does make up things. And sometimes that's really useful. It's not always wrong. So for example, if you're an author and you're asking AI to help you create the next scene for the book that you're writing, or you're writing a screenplay and you want it to write the script or help you write the script, then of course you want it to make up things. Or if you're asking it to create an image and it's a really creative image that you've never seen before, and maybe it's never seen before, again, maybe you want it to make up things. But it's not only in the creative industries. In any business, in any organization, sometimes you want the AI tools to make up things. So you're sending out a newsletter to your clients and you'd like the AI to come up with a nice creative title for the newsletter that'll encourage them to open the email. Or you're creating a new product and you want a fancy name for the product and you ask AI to help you create a name for the product. Or perhaps you ask AI to act like somebody from 2040 looking back at now and seeing what's happened to their industry and to your sector and describing what's changed so that you can be proactively moving to take care and navigate through that change. And again, the AI doesn't know, but you want it to be creative, so it'll give you some creative ideas for your business strategy. So you see, there are times when you do want the AI to make up things. The problem is not that ChatGPT makes things up. The problem only arises if the people using it don't realize that ChatGPT can make things up. Because sometimes you want it to be completely fact-based, sometimes you want it to be creative, and sometimes it's somewhere in the middle. These AI tools like ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot and Perplexity, and these are all tools. And they're tools that we as humans use for a particular purpose, and then we add our human intelligence on top of it. So education is a really important part of building your AI capability. You don't want the tools to always give facts only, because then that limits its potential. And equally, you don't want the tools to just completely make things up without the humans understanding that it's making things up. It's humans and machines working together, and that's a base level of building your AI capability. If you'd like to know more about that, and if you're a leader or a manager of a team, come along to my online presentation very soon, which is all about putting AI into action. And I'll talk about the 3 levels of building your AI capability. And the first of these, the base one, is just to give your people this base awareness, this understanding of the potential of AI. So come along to this presentation. It's free, it's public, it's open to everybody. You'll find the link to register here, and please feel free to invite other people in your team and your network as well. I'll see you in the future.